So Zach, what do you got here?
I got me a Coleman 200, just one of those little off-road bikes with a Premier 212. Fits, I'm pretty sure, stock. I had the speed up. Me personally, I have had it to about probably, well, you were going 38. I flew past you when she was going 38.
Oh my god, dude. You gotta be fucking kidding me.
This fucking thing rips.
Fire it up.
Nice little bolt with the 2 nuts and a lot of duct tape.
Oh, fucking right. Oh. Oh yeah.